Yes.
Yes.
Good. Good. And when she has it in her mouth, you're going to let it go, okay? Have her sit.
Sit.
Good.
Bring.
Let it go and just touch her nose a little bit. Yep, just like... That's okay. Pick it up and you're going to give it to her again.
Bring.
Good. Light. Now say
Yes.
Good. And make sure you say yes before you take it away, okay?
Bring.
Good. Light touch on her nose. That's going to stop her from chewing.
Yes.
Awesome.
Be
Good.
careful.
And then have her sit again.
Sit. Bring. Yeah.
Awesome.
Bring. Yes.
Good. Now, Sid, when you hold it out, instead of holding it straight in front, watch, let me see the dowel. So, watch me for a sec. Ready? Watch me. So instead of holding it like this, go like this. And then she's got to turn her head to get it. Okay? As soon as she takes it, you take your hand off just like you've been doing, okay?
So like this?
No, when you put it down, instead of holding it like this, you hold it like this. So, yeah, kind of, but hold it here, okay? And so when you put it down, instead of holding it like this, you're going to turn it to the side. Yep. And then you'll do it this way, and then you'll do it this way, so that she's turning her head different ways.
Bring.
Make sure you say yes before you get the cheese. Say yes now.
Yes.
Good. Okay, have her sit again. Okay, now hold it at an angle, so she's not biting it straight like this. Like that. Say bring.
Bring. Yes.
Good. Now do the other side. Now you hold it this way. Here, watch.
That.
Hold on. You'll hold it. Hold on. Sit. So when you put it down, you'll hold it like this on this side of her head, and then you'll hold it like that.
Okay.
But you can hold it. Watch. Watch how I do it. I hold it like this. So I can go like that, or I can go like that. Okay? That or that.
Bring. Bring.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Ever
Sit.
said it? Yep, and then that on the other side of her head. Other side.
Bring. Yes.
Good. Now get a piece of cheese in your hand already. Okay? Because she's watching your hand when you're playing with the cheese. Okay? Have her sit.
Sit. Bring.
Good.
Ugh.
Can you stand up and do one? Oh, she's trying to take it. And that's why when you're practicing this, so that she's not trying to take it, instead of holding it like that, always hold it straight up and down.
Bring. Bring.
Have her sit.
Sit.
Now say bring
Bring.
and hold it lower. She can't reach it.
Bring.
There you go. Good.
Bring. Bring. Bring.
Good. Now get your hands at your side. And now say yes.
Yes.
Good. And then feed her. Perfect.
Sit.
Good.
Sit.
No. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Bring.
Good. Now stand straight in front of her like she came in for a recall.
1, 2, 3. Out. Yes.
Good. Awesome, Sid. Good. Go feed her once. Here, take a piece. Say yes and feed her.
Yes.
Good. Have her sit. Sit.
Sit.
Good.
Bring.
Okay. Now take a step away. Now you're going to say here.
Here.
Good. Good. And feed her. Always stand, though. You need to stand. Say yes. Yes.
Yes.
Good girl. Okay. One more time. Have her back up again. Put her back where she was.
Sit.
Sit. Here's a piece of cheese in your hand, so you have it. Now go over and tell her, bring. Sit. Good. Now stand up. And then tell her here.
Here. Here.
Yes. Awesome job. I have the cheese in my... Say yes.
Yes.
Good girl. Here. Now you... Oh, there it is.
There.
Good. There's only a couple left. Go ahead and practice a couple more times.
Bring. Back up. Back up.
No. Nope. Don't mess around with it, okay? She only needs to bring it to you. She doesn't need to back up with it in her mouth. All right? Don't say here if you're sitting down. Stand up if you're going to do it.
Here. Out.
Yeah, good girl. Nice. You want to do one more?
Yeah.
And then give her the rest of the cheese.
Bring. Here. Out.
Good. And then and then make sure she's sitting before you feed her. Oh, Sid. Get it out for her. Oh, poor Uni. Did she get it?
No.
There it is.